Gautam, employee training and certification are crucial in manufacturing environments, especially for those operating heavy machinery. So, how does Zoho Writer help with employee training and certification records?
Well, in manufacturing, ensuring that employees are properly trained and certified is essential for both safety and compliance. Zoho Writer simplifies this by allowing us to automate the creation of training certificates using merge templates. So we can pull in employee data and training details to generate customized certificates for each employee. These templates can be sent to the employees via email, and you can also store these into WordPress for later use. So let me explain how you can make use of Zoho Writer to generate training certificates in bulk and send it out to your employees. So here, as you can see, this is a training certificate that we have created in Zoho Writer from scratch. And here you can see that we have added various elements, and the orientation, as I mentioned earlier, is landscape. So now here you can see that we have inserted merge fields and sequence numbers as well. So here in this sequence number, you can see that we have added a prefix, suffix, and the numbers as well. So based on the number of documents created, sequence number automatically changes. So let me just show you a preview of how this works. So here you can see that these are the various employees who have undergone the training, and here once I select a different user, you can also see that the sequence number and the training manager and the founders, the training manager name changes according to their own criteria or the reporting manager. So this is how you can make use of Writer to generate documents in bulk and send it out. So here you can also insert the email address of the employees directly from your data source, so that the document will be automatically sent to them via email. So there will be no manual process required. So you can just simply click on a button and wait for the certifications to be sent out.
Great, thank you so much for the live demo, Gautam. And can you help us with the benefits of this, Gautam?